Wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wach, 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 wache bikkie, wach, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wach, 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 wache bikkie, wach.
Hi guys, I am Ranzo, RC Colleges and Social.
And I am Kawe, RC Sports, Health and Wellness.
Welcome to our house tour.
Wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wach, 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 wache bikkie, wach, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wach, 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 wache bikkie, wach. Baby Lee.
Good afternoon, welcome to House Biki. Are you looking for Asi? Let me direct you to her now.
Hi, my name is Asi, RC First Year and Vice Prime.
Hi, my name is Sunisa, RC Media Marketing and Secretary.
And welcome to our foyer. This is the first thing that you see once you enter our residence.
Usually, you find first year sitting TD and they will be able to assist you with anything that you need help with. Let's go to our small guys.
Wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wach, 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 wache bikkie, wach, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wach, 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 wache bikkie, wach.
Hi guys, my name is Samana Kumano, RC Culture and Diversity, and this is the small gazelle of a social space.
Wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wach, 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 wache bikkie, wach, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wach, 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 wache.
Hi, my name is Mercedes Kosana and I am RC Academics and Mentorship.
Hi, I'm Zoe Rothman and I'm RC Prime Strategies and Values.
And this is our big guys.
This is where we'll be having all of our house meetings throughout the year,
And events.
as well as our RC and first year committee circuses.
Wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wach, 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 wache bikkie, wach, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wach, 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 wache bikkie, wach. Baby Lee, yeah she Lee. Wache.
This is the quad, our outside area. We come here to take a breather from our academics and we also utilize it as a bright area.
This is our laundry room, where people come downstairs to do their laundry and where we provide both washing machines and dryers at your convenience.
Wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wach, 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 wache bikkie, wach, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wach, 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 wache bikkie, wach. Baby Lee, yeah she Lee. Wache bikkie, baby pull up with the steep. Baby Lee, yeah she Lee. Wache bikkie, baby pull up with the steep.
This is one of the double rooms that we have in the house.
Wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wach, 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 wache bikkie, wach.
This is one of the single rooms that we have.
Wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wache bikkie, wach, 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 wache bikkie, wach. Baby Lee.
This is one of the kitchens in our rings. We have altogether 6 kitchens, 1 per corridor except for the senior corridor which has 2.
Yeah she Lee. Wache bikkie, baby pull up with the steep. Baby Lee. Yeah she Lee. Wache bikkie, baby pull up with the steep.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it.
Bye!